What's up, guys? It's your girl Tiff. I am back. I'm back in action, y'all, and I'm back with a quick weave tutorial, just how I do my quick weave. I tend to do quick weaves on my hair. So today, I'm just gonna get right into the video and show you guys how I do my quick weaves. I'm going for a middle part. So this is my leave out, and then I just have a couple braids going straight to the back, all looped into one, and I'm just gonna, you know, tuck that into a braid to get started. Y'all already know I have struggle edges, so it is what it is. What you are going to need, and I just literally pulled this up. First, I'm going to take my leave out and bring it forward, because when I put the stocking cap on and cut around it, I don't want to, you know, cut my leave out. But you're gonna need wig caps. Everybody know you need wig caps. I get the 2 in a pack. I'm doing a middle part, so I just got 2 packs of Peruvian virgin Remy hair. I got a 16 straight and a 14 straight. Of course, you know, with quick weaves, you're going to need your glue, your hair, your wig caps, your got to be glue. Your got to be glue either in the little tube or the spray, hair dryer, and some scissors. Typically, when I used to do my quick weaves, I would actually put my stocking cap on and sew my cap around the parameter just to secure it even better. I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now. I might not. We'll just see how it goes when we get into it. So let's just get into it. Okay, to get started, I'm just going to take my wig caps. I have 2 wig caps, color black. I'm going to lay them on top of each other. I'm going to say this a couple times. Do not mind these struggle edges. You know I got it together, but as for right now, don't mind them. So I'm going to go in with the got to be glue. I'm not going to go and sew it down because I don't feel like it. And this is really going to be in about 3 weeks, at the 3 weeks tops. But I know where my leave out is at, and you can mark that, and I forgot to show you guys. The purpose of marking around the leave out is just to make sure that when you get to the top of gluing in your hair, you know exactly where to stop and where to cut so that you're not damaging or cutting out your own hair. I am going to go in with my got to be glue free spray, and I'm going to spray around the perimeter of my edges as well as where I went ahead and drew my line. And I'm just going to take my blow dryer and just dry that up, and then I'm going to do it an additional time because the first time I only did it with 1 cap on and I realized that, so I had to add the second cap and just put that on. This to me was a more quicker method than what I usually do, because I usually sew it down, but I ain't had time for that. So this worked just the same. Just go ahead and spray that. Use your blow dryer to get it nice and hard, and it's going to stick in place, trust me. So I have already gone ahead and pre-measured a couple of the tracks. This just makes it easier for me to go ahead and plop them on, and I'm just using the glue to lay that on that track, and I'm just going to plop that on my head, and I'm going to continue that process all the way from the back. I always start at literally the nape of my neck, literally almost at the nape of my neck, and I just bring that all the way up. And quick disclosure, I was watching something on YouTube while I was doing my hair. Like, I had to keep myself busy, or no, I had to keep myself company and entertained. So if y'all see me looking down, your girl was watching something, somebody, something, okay? So what I'm going to do now is just cut off some of the excess cap that's around my parameter of my head, because at this point my tracks were getting closer. I was further up from the nape of my neck to almost like the middle of my head, and I didn't want the tracks to lay on top of that. And again, I still wanted to let my little edges breathe, slick them down as best I could. So I'm just kind of peeling that back and cutting that off. Okay, I'm just showing you how much of my head I have done so far. I'm pretty much at the top. I didn't really feel like it was necessary to show you guys me laying down every single track because it was so repetitious, just laying the tracks, taking it from one edge of your head, from the left to the right, all the way up. So I'm just going to do that until I get right to where I drew the lines around my head, which was basically letting me know where my leave out was. Okay, once I am basically at the top, I'm going to go ahead and cut out my leave out. Lord, cut the cap so that my leave out is out, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish laying down some more tracks. You'll kind of see that it was a little bit lumpy on one side, but your girl is going to fix that. I always find a way. So I'm just going to glue the tracks in and get that laid as best I can. So I don't know if it was like my braid was a little too thick on that side or if it was just the hair. But once I combed it through, it was like super lumpy right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a flat iron really quick to try to straighten out that little bump. And then you'll see that little extra hair right there. I don't know what that is. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that. Just let's cut that off. To get ready to blend my leave out with the weave, I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair. I wanted the middle part, and I'm going to take my Care like heat protectant spray. I'm going to spray that on my hair and comb that through. That's just to go ahead and protect my hair from that heat that's about to be on it. Once I have that combed through, I'm going to part my hair again because your girl don't have a relaxer and my hair is a little kinky. So I'm going to go ahead and run that flat iron through that. Do not get alarmed if you see that smoke or heat. That is the flat iron and the product that is on my hair. So no, I'm not burning my hair. That's just the product I just sprayed on it. To blend my hair, my leave out with the weave, I'm going to go in with this Care like wax stick, and I'm just going to slap that all around my hair. Take the edge of the flat iron to just kind of blend it and heat it up onto my hair. And yeah, I'm going to bump it just a little bit. Now I'm going to take my edge control, just try to slick down the front of my hair a little bit, blend that so it's not looking, you know, too crazy. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Just a really sleek, simple, quick weave. I literally just burnt my finger on my flat irons and I did not have time to run upstairs. I've been having my finger sit in a cold bottle of water. So, you know, the things we do to kind of look cute and get ourselves together. But yeah, this is my quick weave. The hair actually wound up being a decent length. You know, it's like to the top. I am probably going to cut it. Yeah, I'm thinking I might cut it. I don't know. This is like super thin, which I don't like, and typically I don't get straight hair. I typically always get some type of body wave type hair because it has the wave and it's thicker. So when you straighten it, it's still thicker than just getting the regular straight hair. So hey, it is what it is. It's cute. It's gonna do what it do for me. The last Quickweave I had was for my birthday. If you haven't seen my birthday vlog, what you waiting on? But that was another Quickweave that I did myself. That was with the same brand of hair, but that was the Brazilian body wave. So anyway, this is my little $40 holla. Well, 43 and some change. But anyway, this is my little $40 holla. I'm gonna keep this in definitely about a good 2 to 3 weeks max. I don't think I'm gonna keep it in longer than that, because really Quickweaves is like supposed to be something quick, 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying? So I might keep mine in like 2 to 3 weeks. I'm gonna try to find a way to kind of tie this down, because I'm not with the putting heat on my hair every single day, and that's going to irritate me. But other than that, this is the look. I hope you guys like it. I'm literally sitting here with my finger in a bottle of water. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more like it, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.